Good morning, friends. Let's discuss one more point. Most important points for fresher is to discover the strength and passion. Now, let us discuss today how you can find out your strength and passions so that you can get your best jobs. So, discovering strength and passion is indeed crucial for freshers and they embark on their professional journey. Here are some important points to consider. First thing is identify your interest. In free time slot, what you are doing, that you need to identify. That is your interest area. Might be you can get the best job related with your interest area. Second point is exploring different fields. You need to explore the different fields. Might be some of the other fields can help you a lot in your future. Third important point, seeking guidance and advice from the mentors. You need to find out proper mentors who can guide you through your career journey. Fourth important point, pursue internship or voluntarily. This can give you the practical exposures of the work, how that work happens, and you can get a practical knowledge about the same. Fifth important point, take skill assessment test. That skill assessment test will give you some of the insights, some of the results, that this one thing is possible by you, this thing is not possible by you. Then sixth important point, pay attention to the feedbacks. Whenever you are getting some of the feedbacks from some of the persons, then you need to pay attention, you need to understand why they are saying like this. So based on their feedbacks you can improve yourself. Seventh important point is learn new things by seminar, workshop, webinars. Nowadays so many webinars are going on free of course, so you can attend some of the webinars, you can participate on some of the seminar or workshop physically also to gain some new knowledge. Eighth important point is analyze your accomplishment. Whatever the things you have did so far, that you need to find out, and based on that you can take some decisions. Ninth important point, stay patient and persistent. You need to continuously work on there and it will get results after some time. And last important point is find out your limitations also. Sometimes you are not able to finding out your limitations and you are going for a jobs for that particular limitations, so it will not help you to get your dream careers. So find out your limitations also, that is the last point. So finding work that aligns with your strength and passion can lead to a fulfillment and successful career path. Wish you all the best for your career journey. If you have any questions, feel free to post into the comment. Thank you.